Hello, everyone. Today I will share with you a very simple way to create effective and powerful affirmations. It is so simple and fun that you can try it out at this very moment. As I was new to manifestation, I always watched the videos that talked about affirmations as a technique for manifestation and how they could change our lives. Also, I saw videos containing morning affirmations, sleep affirmations, and whatnot. I was always curious about how to make my own affirmations that are personalized as per my needs, but I never found a video dedicated to it. Coaches wanted coaching fees that I couldn't afford at that time. No doubt, they were and are doing their jobs well, but I wanted to be independent so that I could tackle my own problems in the future also. Fast forward, I found a YouTube channel that solved my problem. She shared a very easy technique to create your own affirmations that helped me tremendously in achieving my desires. I am making a dedicated video towards this. As you read it on the thumbnail, you only require 3 things to make your affirmations powerful. Now, what are those 3 things? Well, I will try to explain it to you with an example of a specific person. You can replace it with the object of your desire, like money, health, etc. So, to start this, all you need is a piece of paper and a pen, and you have to divide the paper into 3 columns. In the first column, you have to write your name. In the second, your specific person's name. And in the third, the situation, circumstance. Now, write down your current assumptions. Whatever comes to your mind at this very moment is what assumptions you have made. If you are not in contact with your specific person, write it down in the third column. Now, why do you think your SP is not talking to you? They don't love you. They are with someone else. They said they would never talk to you again. Okay, write these things in the second column. Now, what do you think about yourself in the situation of having no contact with them? I deserve it because I wronged them in the past. Everyone leaves me. I am not enough. Now, write it in the first column. Look at the sheet of paper in front of you. These are the things that you are aware of right now. These are just thoughts and assumptions that are manifesting in your reality. You created them, and you can change them. Now, to change them, divide the paper in half, and below write the opposite of the above statements. Suppose my desire is to be in contact with them and talk to them every day. So, in my situation column I would write, we talk each and every day. In the second column, it would be, they are madly in love with me. I am the only person they want to be with. They were saying they would talk to me for eternity. Now, let's tackle the first one. I only deserve beautiful things. In the past, I made their lives cheerful. Everyone stays with me and loves my energy. I am good enough for them. Bingo. You have now created personalized affirmations for yourself. Now, repeat them because they will feel natural to you. They came first in my mind, which means they are natural to me. But if something else comes to your mind, which it will, then it will show you your natural affirmations that you have to repeat. Replace it with your desire, and observe how simple and enjoyable it becomes. What I recommend is to go step by step, as it will develop your faith. I am saying it because life is a journey, not a destination. The only destination is when you depart this body. The one who enjoys the journey stays joyful. So, if your SP is in no contact with you, just create the affirmations of them, talking to you every day. This will manifest faster because it has a high chance of happening. But if you create affirmations of getting married with them, it will take lots of persistence because your conscious mind will create doubts every now and then, as it is the logical mind, and you will burn out on the journey. I am not at all saying that you can't do it. If you feel like doing it, just do it. I am no one to limit you. I hope you learned something new from this video. Do subscribe to the Daily Nuggets. I will see you in the next video. Happy manifesting.